Hello, I'll be showing you two ways to create and add members to your team. For the first way, from your dashboard, you will click on the Switch Teams icon to the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop down, you will click My Teams. You'll then proceed to click in Add New Team tab. We will add the team member's name. Then proceed to click in Create Team. After a team member is created, you can proceed to Manage, where you can update the name. You can also proceed to add email address to add new members. For the second way to add a team member, you can proceed from your dashboard by clicking Team Management from the navigation, clicking the Teams drop-down, proceed to click in Add New Team, and then go ahead and add in a name and click in Create Team.